Welcome back to Run the Prompts Party, people. How would you like to turn this regular, average picture of yourself from this into this to use for a LinkedIn profile picture using the incredible power of AI and Midjourney? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to do it. And now that we're in Midjourney, what we have to do is go to this edit button right over here on the left. From there, it'll ask you to upload your image. That's where you upload it. Make sure it's an image of you, a full body shot where you can put yourself into an expensive suit like what I'm doing right here. So as you can see, what I've already done is I've gotten rid of all of my clothes at the top with this little tool right here called erase. You're going to want to switch the brush size down so that you can really get into those crevices. Don't worry about it being perfect because it really doesn't have to. The AI is very smart. From there, you're going to put it the prompt right here of a man wearing an extremely expensive and fashionable black suit, or whatever color or type of suit you would like. And from there, the best one I got was this one right here, in my opinion. You can see the other choices here. Not bad, not bad. I mean, they look pretty damn realistic. And from here, I can show you the next step I did. So I got rid of my pants and used the same tool, erase. If you ever want to get the edges, if you get a little bit too much erased, you can always use the restore tool here to get rid of any of the excess, but don't worry about it being perfect. Again, the AI is very good at doing this for you. So I put in this prompt up here of extremely expensive black suit pants, athletic muscular legs. I had to add athletic muscular legs because the other one, when I tried without that keyword, it did not work and my legs were extremely small, so it just didn't work right. So add that in, it might help you out. From there, we have these different options, and I found this one to be the most realistic and best looking, so we went with this. And from here, I needed some shoes, so I got rid of my shoes again with the erase tool. I'm sure you're noticing a pattern. And from here, we have some different shoe options to choose from, and you can really select anything you want. They don't look perfect. All of this, the shoes really didn't look that great, but just for this example, we'll go with this one. So at this point, guys, we went from the original that you saw at the beginning of this whole experiment, which is right here. We went from to that, and with a little bit of help from Photoshop, and this is entirely optional, we also were able to get it to this right here. So this was the final version. Let me expand it. This was my final version. So I used Photoshop to polish it up, clean it up, change the lighting. It's totally optional. You do not need to do that, but this looks pretty damn good, especially in LinkedIn, because it's going to be a shot a little bit closer like that. And keep in mind that the LinkedIn profile pictures are small. There's absolutely no way anyone's going to know that you used AI. Even if they do, who gives a shit? Anyways, the other thing you guys have to remember is to click the upscale to gallery right here. Okay, so this was my final from Midjourney. You click upscale to gallery, it's going to upscale it for you, and it's going to be in ultra high quality. So it's actually taking your original image and it's making it a lot better. So you need to click that button. Please do not forget that part. From there, it's going to send it off over here into the create tab. That's where you download your image. You'll have it forever. It'll be yours, and you can edit it in Photoshop if you want, or Canva, or wherever you would like. But remember, do not pay a lot of money for an expensive suit or an expensive photographer. Now you have AI on your side.